how to write an article with AI. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video because it's actually very easy to do. Now over here I have ChatGPT. Now this is an AI made by OpenAI. It is totally free and it's basically the best at what it's supposed to do. So writing blogs, essays, scripts, articles, whatever you can imagine really. Like you can also just ask a genuine question and it will try to answer it as best as possible. Now at the bottom you have the chat box and I can now ask a question. So for example, write an article about the current state of the crypto market. So then I can simply click on send and it will now type in, now not really real time, but it will have to sort of like type it out and come up with it. It doesn't just pop up in like a second, but basically once this is done, it will look like this. And you can, for example, regenerate the response if you didn't like it. What I just recommend doing is just read this all out. And if you like parts, so let's say, for example, you like this part and you like, for example, this part, then you can also just ask more questions and you will keep the conversation going. So I, for example, already did that over here to test it out real quick. I first asked this, and by the way, I actually asked the exact same question, but it still gave me a different answer. But for example, I went into more detail about Bitcoin, for example, and then I also applied this method over here. For example, write a 300 words article. So then it will go for like a 300 word article. I can also, for example, ask 100 words or like 500. So, which is also great. And then this chat currently knows that I'm like talking about crypto, and the more questions I ask, the better answers I will get because it still, like, it doesn't forget it. So that's actually really good. That's how you can do it. I hope this quick video helped you out. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.